I am the son of Al-Walid, does anyone want to duel? When I am in the battlefield, I love it more than when I am in my house. Man intends one thing, but Allah intends another. Here I am, dying in my bed, like cattle die. May the eyes of cowards never sleep. An army's strength lies not in numbers of men, but in Allah's help. When I'm in the battlefield, I love it more than my wedding night, with the most beautiful of women. If Abu Bakr is dead, and Omar is caliph, then we hear and obey. I bring the men who desire death, as ardently, as you desire life. If you are truthful you will survive. If you lie, you shall perish. When Allah decides a matter, it is done. The earth destroys its fools, but the intelligent destroys the earth.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more Islamic videos. Your support will certainly make a difference.